Raspberry and coconut sour cream cake. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then grease a 10 cm by 24 cm loaf pan and line the base and the sides with baking paper, allowing it to overhang. Next, use an electric mixer to beat the butter, sugar and lime rind in a bowl until pale and creamy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then add the flour and coconut and stir to combine. Add the sour cream and lime juice and stir until well combined. Gently fold in the raspberries. Spoon 1/3 of the sour cream mixture into the prepared pan. Smooth the surface. Spoon over some raspberry jam and gently spread to smooth. Continue layering with remaining sour cream mixture and raspberry jam, finishing with the sour cream mixture. Smooth the surface. Pop in the oven and bake for 1 hour or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Set aside in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the raspberry lime icing, crush the raspberries through a fine sieve over a bowl to catch the juice. Discard the solids. Add the icing sugar and enough lime juice to the raspberry juice in the bowl to make a runny paste. Spread the mixture over the top of the cake, allowing it to drip down the sides. Set aside for 30 minutes. Decorate with more fresh raspberries and lime zest. Cut into slices to serve. Pretty and full of flavour, this cake will be an instant hit for morning or afternoon tea.